What is up, guys? It's early cold morning and today is Monday. So Saturday, Friday, and Saturday I ended up getting some new goodies. So what do we have? Got some spark plugs, I got the new straps, new bars, brake switch, and I got a speedometer. This is from a 2003 MXZ 600. It says it's got 8,000 miles on it, which it's more than this one supposedly has, but it works. So I guess I'm gonna have to like disclose that or something later on if I'm selling it. I have to get some of these things on here because the grips, the spark plugs, and these stupid straps, they've been really pissing me off. So, time to get this done. Things first, I'm tired of looking at these handlebars. I am gonna get this off of here. Be careful not to cut the heating element. Maybe I should grab a new blade. Lovely. That's off. This looks all pretty good. These connections look pretty good. I'll try using an air compressor to get the new bars or new grips on. I've only done this on bikes. These are like extra long. So hopefully these will work too with the air compressor. Let's see if this will work. You know what? I'm gonna lube it up. Lube it up. Tint solution. That should do it. Let's see what happens. Nope. Does not want to go. Let's try again. More lube. There we go. It's on here. All right, that lube will, the water solution will dry out, and we should be good. There we go. All right, so I guess I'm gonna have one spare, which is kind of nice, just in case something happens, something weird. I'm gonna try not using lube on this one. See if it'll go on. Rough but doable. There you go. new grips are on. Next thing I'm gonna do is, these are pretty worn, obviously. So see if I could break these even, or break these off. Break these free, not break them off. See how these guys look. Probably like shit. Yep. They look like shit. Surprised they're not fouled out. I'll put them in here as a spare. I'm actually a pretty firm believer in replacing spark plugs. There's people that never replace them, and then they're like, why does it run like crap? Well, it would help if you would remove and replace the spark plugs once in a while. So any new machine I get on anything, I generally just replace the plugs on it. Oh, this one's kind of loose. All right, I say fire it up and see if it runs, right? With the new plugs. Probably be a good idea before I go any further. Sweet. All right, so the next thing I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do these straps. So these were actually 40 bucks on eBay. They come with like the rivets that you need and the little washers and stuff like that. So I don't know how I'm gonna drill those out or how to get those through the inside. I think I have to remove the track in order to get inside the tunnel to be able to rivet them, which I'm gonna try to find a different way of doing it, obviously. These guys here, I could just drill out and rivet it in the way it's supposed to be. So let me try doing that. That'll work. Ooh, nice and hot. Hot, hot, hot. Goes to show you how often I do this, because I didn't even need to mark the orientation. It's got little things in here that this goes into, so make life easier, I guess, right? There we go. That's on there. There we go. It's on there. I have no idea how I'm gonna figure out those though right now. I'm gonna try to see what happens, because they're, like I said, the bottom ones, you can see that the rivet comes through over here, but it's riveted from the other side. I'm gonna try to drill this out and see if these rivets fit in here. Yeah, they should be fine. So let me try to do that then. falling. Oh, I see why this is a complicated spot. But it's doable. There you go. Let's test it out. See how it closes now. All right, that's there, that's there. Oh yeah. Awesome. That is awesome. Perfect. This is nice and tight. Definitely not gonna swing open on me. And I'm sure these will stretch a little bit after a while. All right, so for this guy, for the brake switch, I took it off the other pigtail. I'm gonna reuse the same pigtail because it's gonna be easier. I just replaced the grommet, cleaned up these wires, and now I gotta clean up that hole that it goes into because it looks like they had it glued in there, the other one that they had in there. So I gotta clean out that glue and clean up that thread. All right, so a couple of things of Plasti Dip, some masking tape, a pile of masking tape, and this is the end result. I think I'm gonna keep it like this. That looks kick-ass. Yeah, I guess my energy drink kicked in and I just knocked it out. It took about 2 hours to do. A lot of masking and a lot of covering up to make sure that you don't overspray, and then you got to peel off the tape while it's still wet. So base coat was white, and then I went gray, black, and red, and I think it looks awesome. Let me know what you guys think. Should I do more stuff on it like this? Should I do this piece in the same style? I think it's gonna be kind of overflow, or like creates an oval, I don't know. And then obviously there's not much I can do back here with that. Maybe, just maybe, I could do this plastic piece and throw some of that stuff on there, but my worry is the boot rubbing, and it's going to be the same thing that happened on my quad, that the spot where you're rubbing mostly, it's just comes off. So let me know what you guys think, and if I should put it anywhere else. If you guys did anything similar, shoot me a link, I want to see it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and yeah, I'll have more stuff like this hopefully soon, because my hands are itching already to do something new and start a new project. So right now I'm working on cleaning the garage because it's a freaking mess. I'm trying to make room in here and figure out what I'm gonna do. So anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. Later. Perfect.